Hello, we will need in these lessons only three colors: pink, violet and blue. And like always, every time I told you must do mix with water. It must be like cream. You see? I take brush. This is brush from cat, handmade. And you must push very strong. I don't know, it's difficult to explain me, but you must push in paper very strong and leave just a little bit colors. Maybe just look, because my English will be not enough correct. See, I push good. This is more fast, but you can see very well what is it effect must be. Here maybe will be better. You can feel how is it. And like always, we take pink and just a little bit violet. You see, just a little bit. And follow my hand. And I, of course, every time clean brush. Again, full pink and just a little bit more dark. I don't know if you see very well. Yeah, like this. Again pink, again blue, and make magic. You see, not so much blue, just a little bit. It depends how dark you want to do, of course. We finish with all leaves. Do the same. Up. And next brush, it's from Japan. I think you can find everywhere for calligraphy. And we using the same dark blue. You can choose even black, you know, I think it can be cool too, or more blue. And with this brush it's nice because you can make long slim line. Yes, it's very fast, and it's the same brush. And anyway, thank you so much for your comments and like. I will be very happy. Here we do the same. We take pink and just a little bit more blue. Just a little bit. Yes. And again we must do this with each leaves. But for me it's like therapy, you know, because very nice mix colors. You see, like I told, pink and violet, pink and violet. And last. Now we play with blue. I'm using brush from cat, but with this same brush like I'm using for calligraphy, you can try to do the same. Or you can create your something another painting. Yes, it's a little bit slowly, but looks like this. And I'm using pen for manicure. What is it point? It's very comfortable. You can order in AliExpress, I don't know, maybe $1 can cost. And it's very comfortable because different size. From another side it's more bigger point can be. I like it so much. Yes. And the last up and finish.